Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you guys are fine. So students, today we will learn consonants blend. And did you know two consonants sounds can be blended to make one sound? Look, say and read words with initial blend. Pre-lll, pull, plant, plant, plum, plum, play, pluck, pluck, plus, plus. Now, look, say and read words with initial blend. Grapes, grapes, grill, grill, grains, grains, grow, grow, grind, grind. I hope you guys love doing consonants blend. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.